So I'm just doing just a small tour of the garden. Spring is here, so everything isn't up yet. Oh, what is again? Broccoli.
Yeah, that's it.
Bok choy. We have onions. We have Chinese cabbage or Asian cabbage. We have peppers.
Give me a 5 minutes.
So everything is pretty slow.
That's the mayhem. What about yours?
Mayhaw tree.
Mayhem.
Mayhaw. Over here we have the persimmons. These do so good every year. They're putting out small leaves. Another persimmon. And those leaves. This is a plum. And here's a small trellis, but it's leaning to one side. Right here I'm under the trellis, guys. Loofah. We have plums, persimmon. These are apples. Not apples, pear. And then we have some container plants. These plants just need more protection when it's too cold, so we put it in the greenhouse. We have our cherry tree. We have some citrus. We have avocado, citrus. We have guava. We have citrus. This is a lemon, right?
Pink lemon.
Pink lemon. You know spring is close. Look at all that blossom. And all that blossom. And look, guys. Look. Papaya. These survived the winter. She covered the roots. Look at that.